Most counselors, we want a check tool, just to check my own hunch. I think that this school is a reach. I think that Barnard is a reach. I think Bucknell is a net, right? These are all of my things. I'm the one who's doing that. And Gonzaga, I'm going to say is a reach. Before I promote any more to the student, I'm going to come to OutcomesIQ and I'm going to check myself. Click to network data. I'm now going to access all of CounselMore. I made the assumption Gonzaga would be a reach, but OutcomesIQ is suggesting that it's a net. 32 students be accepted here, and the similarity is medium. I have over 300 outcomes that I could look at. OutcomesIQ is correct, and I am wrong. So I'm going to change that to net. Counselor's professional judgment is always first. The human will always override. Similar to my students, and looking at students who are not similar to my student so that I can find the variance in there through professional judgment.